Ooh, I wonder what's going to be in this egg. Maybe it's Black Widow or Wonder Woman. It's moss? There's moss in this egg. Oh no.
Oh no, I wonder who put moss in the egg. Funlings, let's go and find the real toys.
Yeah! Oh look, another egg. Stop, Thomas. No! Got it. I wonder what will be in this Hot Wheels egg. Maybe it'll be a blue car or red car. It's Twigs? Oh. Another toy is being changed.
Moss and twigs. I might know who's done this. Let's go and find the real toys.
Yeah! Oh cool, another egg. Wrong track. Whoops. Yay! Easy peasy. Let's go! Ooh, I wonder what will be in this Barbie egg. Maybe it'll be a Barbie. It's Thomas? What? Thomas isn't a Barbie, I think. Maybe it's Thomas taking the real toys.
Funlings, look who's coming.
It's Thomas with the real toys. Let's chase him. Yay! We have the real toys. Let's see what we've got. In the superhero egg, there is a a Wonder Woman bracelet. In the Hot Wheels egg is a blue Hot Wheels car. And in the Barbie egg is a Barbie. Yay! Well done, everyone.